Speaker sir, I'll be very pointed because I think I've got only 1 minute. This relates to the South Goa District Hospital. It was commissioned. I think it took about 8 years for it to be commissioned. Now, I had asked you a very specific question to furnish the details of the number of patients admitted, discharged, expired at South Goa District Hospital in the last 3 years. There are hundreds of cases, Speaker sir, that have been sent to GMC. I would want an assurance from you that from the government that in the future that no patients should be referred to GMC. That is how South Goa District Hospital has to be equipped. And how long will it take for you in these regards?
Speaker sir, I am giving, because the questionnaire is over, but I am giving him a commitment, is that Secretary will monitor on every 15 days basis exactly number of cases referred. Every day, I have already asked my OSD to send a mail to the respective medical superintendents and the Director Health Services, to all the 3 hospitals, the Sub-District Hospital, District Hospital North, District Hospital South, is that to send an email to us as the number of cases and the reasons for which they referred. I will get an email myself, Secretary will get an email on a daily basis,
Yes.
and be rest assured, this will be monitored.